Ariana's Playroom. Hee hee hee. This is my owl. She likes to be petted, and she's actually a toy. She can fly, and she likes to sing, like she's singing right now. And I'm going to make her to fly to show you guys. You got her hand under to help it fly. Sometimes she falls and she cries. And she cries after she flies. And sometimes she's happy when it lands in her hand. And sometimes she wants to be tickled. Her eyes turn color. It turns color. Her eyes turn color. It turns very color. And she likes to be pet. And this means she's hungry. And I'm feeding her. When it flies, sometimes it makes me laugh, and this means she goes to sleep. This is her cute charging nest, and on the back you can see her charge. You see that button? That makes it to wake up. And her hands are so fluffy. And I'm going to make her fly again. And this time my dad's going to help. This is my dad. His name's Jared. And then he's about to fly again. And if it's like that, it means there's no more battery. You need to charge it. That's what it means. So I'm going to go charge it now. Please get the subscribe button and do so. See you next time. Bye.